Now, this is how you can connect to a shared folder on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanations like this one. So it comes down to which app and software you want to use to share a folder, but you can open up your Files app, go to the iCloud Drive. So from the locations, don't pick the local storage, but go to iCloud Drive, and you can find some folders here, and you can basically make it a shared folder by holding down on it, clicking on share, and you're not going to pick the send copy where, just send whatever is part of that folder to someone, but instead you choose the collaborate option. And this means that the invited people can either edit, or basically anyone with a link can edit, depends on how you have it set up, or you decide if they can make changes or view it only, right? And even allow others to invite it there. But this is how we can basically set it up. Let's say I'm gonna choose anyone with a link, and now I have the ability to just copy the link or share it over messages, whatever. And now this link is the folder link which I can share with other people, right? So that's kind of how it would work. This is what would be sent over to someone, and they would basically be able to just start and connect to that shared folder, by clicking that link, and they'll be able to collaborate and add stuff in it. It depends on the permissions, as I said, but that is the whole principle behind it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work and set it up on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for videos and kind of tutorials like this. And I'm going to talk to you in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.